This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, update the Vive Focus firmware, and install Vive developer tools on your PC so the connection is stable. Once done, plug a USB-C 3.1 link cable between headset and PC and enable USB debugging in headset settings. This allows file and video streams. Make sure to accept any permission prompts in the headset. You're initiating a direct data tunnel. This first step prevents driver conflicts and establishes the low latency path needed for VR streaming. Next, configure the software bridge that carries VR frames to the headset. You open Vive Console and enable PC streaming mode so your PC will recognize the Focus as a display target. Once enabled, launch Steam VR and confirm tracking, chaperone, and controller profiles. Make sure the headset appears in devices. Then adjust bitrate and resolution in Vive Console to balance quality and latency. If you see stutter, reduce bitrate or lower resolution, because bandwidth and USB power affect smooth playback. Finally, you validate the connection by launching a lightweight VR app to check head tracking, controllers, and audio. Once the app runs, test motion and latency. Make sure audio output is set to the headset in Windows sound settings. If things go wrong, try an alternate USB port, toggle USB debugging, or reinstall Vive and Steam VR drivers to clear conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if tracking drops, reduce wireless interference and confirm the link cable is high quality and seated firmly. Often that alone resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.